Hey, what's up everyone? Come by to rattle some engines. I was gonna just want to come start stuff because it's been a while since I've started it, and I didn't want to do it the other day or last week because I was I didn't want to do it last week because there was people deer hunting, I'm sure. They wouldn't have appreciated that. But the other thing I want to do is I want to get some diesel treatment in here. That's the log over there. Can't really tell how much is in there. A little shot in. Oh, there's a lot of fuel in there. Okay. Yeah, it's I don't remember if this was the winter blend fuel or not. So, see if we can get this started. I don't know if it's going to want to go or not. It's not too cold out. That's why I chose to do it today. Let's see. Do these cold start things they talk about, huh? Sure was defiant. But it went. Let's try the log loader. I should have brought jumper cables and realized I forgot them. So this could be a bust. Ooh, slippery, I can tell you that. Real slippery. That's all I'm using. And there's something, hold on here. Okay, keys in. One thing I know I have trouble with on this. Watch out, fall, break my butt. I go to start this little solenoid for the fuel pump. If I don't run it for a while, this little guy will stick. Come back and loosen it up like that. A couple pumps because probably lost some fuel pressure. Let's see if it goes. I left the master switch on, so it's probably dead. I do love this machine. Believe that, it fired right up. Huh. Just let it run. Let's put the rest of this in here. There's only about, I don't know, 100 gallon in there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Someone left this here. Probably the guys that came and got the skidder. But that was the goal. Sorry, it's a short movie or video. I figured I was going to have more problems with that guy. It fired right up. I was surprised. That one was a little, gave me about about what I expected. So, once again, guys, sorry I don't have more. I wish I did. I'm gonna let this stuff run for a little while, sit on my butt in the truck, and then I'm gonna move on. Just want to keep it running, and I might pull that forward up onto some stone there so it don't freeze. All right, everybody, over and out.